The another most important concept in Python is empty string and a non-empty string. This is one of the very cool feature in Python. Let us consider the following code. This code makes us to understand if empty string is there, what it considers. If non-empty string is there, what it considers. If it is an empty string whose length will be considered as 0, which is considered as a false. Non-empty string whose length is greater than 0, which is considered as true. Let us take the example. Name is equal to input of enter your name. Enter your name. If just I'll write name, that's all. Print your name. Name I wrote it. Your name, comma name. If the name is non-empty, it will print the name because its length is greater than 0. Else I am writing here print your name is unknown. Your name is unknown. Let us run this code and see the result. I am entering the data NareshIT. It is non-empty, so it is printing the name perfectly, NareshIT. Run once again. You don't enter anything whose length is 0. It is false. It is unknown. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.